Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. We are live. Happy Thursday, everyone. Happy Thursday. Let's do this. Let's do this. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, John. Yeah, the overnight session. I was looking at the overnight. Man, looked a little crazy. Overnight session high all the way up here to the 20,060s. Had like a 200 point, we got like a 200 point range in the overnight, but it is actually a pretty nice downtrend. Oh, let's see, market. What do you want to do? We are already open. I didn't even notice that I'm late. I am late. Yikes. Good morning, Trading Ever After. Good morning, NP. Good morning, Least Estimator. Here's Johnny, R5 Studios. How we doing, fellas? Let's have a good day. Let's take good setups. Let's be patient and disciplined. Let's not let the market get us today, okay? Don't let him get you. Don't let him get you. All right, we are ripping this higher now. Above at the 940s. What kind of news do we have this morning? I think the news is already out, but let me sure. It is October 3rd already. Okay, so we have ISM. Yes, ISM 9:45 and 10 o'clock news. So 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Hey, good morning, Martin. Good morning, UCLA. Torsten, good morning. Was so hard to stay short. Every new low would be followed by a big green candle. Yeah, I was looking at that. It was kind of volatile. Like, had a lot of like, looked like it might be reversing, but then it didn't. That can be pretty difficult to trade. I probably would have found a way to lose money. I don't know. All right, we are pumping. We are pumping here at the open. She wants to rip it. All right, all the way up to the 970s now. Man, this is feeling pretty bullish. Feeling pretty bullish here at the open. We bounced right off of that 900. Bounced right off of this pivot point. Pretty interesting. We got the pivot point 993s up here. 70 point rip higher here at the open. She wants to rip it. Hey, good morning, Jam Bear. Hey, good morning, Mitch Marvin. Mr. Push Up, good morning. Last night price action was horrid. Well, hey, hopefully today's better. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning. Good. M. Susan, good morning. I did. I found my glasses. Yay. I can see again. Actually, my glasses are more for like, so I can see better long distance. But I do notice that I can see better if I have them on for sure. But, we found him. Actually, the wife found him, to be completely honest here. All right. All right, getting a pullback here. We're double topping up here the 980s. Let's see. Can we get above that? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like the last 2 weeks, those double tops and double bottoms like have been holding up a lot more than usual. Like it's respecting those levels a lot more, and it's not ripping through them quite as much as, I don't know. Which kind of makes sense. I mean, if you look at the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart looks like this. 4-hour chart, you know, it's been about a week and a half where we've just been going sideways to lower, where we were really just going higher for about 2 weeks. So I don't know. Maybe we break out today and go higher today. Hey, Peter. Good morning. Daryl Bapty. Good morning. UCLA Trades. How we doing? Do you see head and shoulders on ES daily? Oh, on the daily? Oh, I got to look at that. All right. This is looking like we want to rip it. She wants to rip it. See if we get above that 980. We're struggling to get above that. See if we pull back more here. I mean, these double tops have played out pretty nicely. I wonder, it's almost tempting to start trading some of these, but I'm not going to do it. We're going to wait. We're going to be patient. Hey, good morning, Design and Knob in the building. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? Got to stop trading pre-market. Hey, one thing I feel like since I'm copy trading my accounts, I don't trade. I mean, I don't trade off stream anymore. I don't trade in the overnight. Like, I'm being a good boy. I don't trade. I only trade on stream, and I only trade basically my trade times. Actually, let's look at my trade times. If we look at my trade times on TradeZella for, like, this is basically the data that I've been collecting since I've been copy trading these accounts. Where do I find this again? Reports, date and time. Yeah, so look at this. All right, we're pulling back a little more now. This is my trade time. This is my trade time since I've copy traded the accounts. Literally, my most I should stop trading at 10 o'clock. I shouldn't be taking trades at 10 o'clock. It's crazy. Almost all of my losses are from 10 o'clock. Let's actually narrow this down to 5 minutes. So if we look at the 5 minutes, most of my losses are coming around 10:30. Actually, 10:25. No more trading at 10:25, guys. No more trading. 10:25 is, I don't know what it is about 10:25, but $7,000 loss. And then at 12:30 is the next worst. It's kind of cool. Trade distribution by 5 minutes. Trade. So trade P&L. Trying to look here. So isn't that okay? So most of my trades actually are happening like 71. Most of my trades are actually happening at 10:30. Huh, interesting. Most of my trades are happening at 10:25, and that is where most of my losses are. I don't know. That's interesting. I might have to dig a little deeper on that one. Is it New York time or Chicago? It's New York time. EST. Oh, really, Matty Matt? Yeah, pre-market can get you. Oh, wow. We are breaking out, folks. We are breaking out. See if we keep going here at the 20,000 level. I need my coffee. Oh, man. Remember yesterday I said I had activated 150Ks. I didn't realize I had. You got an email this morning. No way, John. Man, that sucks. Well, you tried. By the way, guys, I do have a little bit of information that I can... well, I think I can share this. I'm going to share it. Regarding the probationary status. So, and I'm going to get asked this like 10 million times today, so I should just make a post. But so what I was told well, man, I'm trying to think if I can share this. There are some changes that they're working on making. And part of those changes is to streamline, and there's like an automation process behind it. And they think right now, Apex thinks some of these accounts that got flagged and are put in probationary status without an email is a glitch, or is something to do with the automation thing that is not working like it should. They're looking into it. They're trying to get it fixed, and I don't know, they're going to update the masses as soon as they have more clarity on it, and as soon as they have more information. But I don't know. That's what I was told. So, I mean, I don't know. It's kind of basically, hey, they're not sure. They're not sure why some accounts are being flagged. But it's something to do with their automated process. At least that's what I was told. Which means you'll get the status update around mid-December. Hey, if we're lucky. The other problem is that I guess, I mean, I know this is not an excuse. I'm not using it as one, but I guess right now, some of the people at the top from Apex are traveling, and yeah, that's why there's some communication issues. I mean, anyway, I'll keep my thoughts to myself. That's the information I have currently. Hey, Stephen Yang is up $454.48. Let's go. Glitch it good. All that drama. Okay, so not all of it. From what I understand, the people, again, I say this, but cautiously, do not take this as concrete. But from what I understood, people that were just put into a probationary status without an email, that's the ones that are a glitch and actually they're not sure why those are happening. And they're investigating it and more information to follow. But the ones that actually got the email when the mass email chain went out, months, or what was that, a week ago? From what I understand, that wasn't a glitch, but then the other part is that I'm still waiting on answers that I don't have, which is kind of the most important answers or most important questions, is regarding what causes you to be put in a probationary status and how do you get out of it, and just kind of what's the deal? What's the purpose? I will say I saw quite a bit of more. I saw a lot more posts, different places, people that are in a probationary status that have their accounts above the threshold that requested payouts and were approved and paid, as long as they were only requesting above the buffer. So, for what that's worth. Pass the monthly drug test. I did not ask them specifics on if house arrest is next on the line. I did not ask him that. Felt like that might be pushing it a little bit too far. Okay, market. Do you want to go higher? 950. So 15-minute opening range is in. We have 111-point opening range. You're considering switching to my fund of futures? I mean, I would, like I always say, every person needs to make their own decisions. I'm still trading with Apex. As crazy as this sounds, I still believe in Apex. I mean, that's kind of a mouthful, but I still believe, and I still think they are great. And some of the changes that they are going to be making is going to be really awesome. But man, they need to get some of this stuff worked out. They really, really need to. It's starting to get just very, very frustrating. Very frustrating as a user to continue to navigate the unknowns. And hopefully they'll get the hint. But I still believe, I don't know, obviously time will tell, but hey, everyone got to make their own choices, doing your own research, and use whoever you see fit. As long as you get paid, that's what matters. We're all in this fight together. We're all in the fight together, and whatever prop firm you use and you get paid, kudos. Man, this market is holding up here very well. I need to make sure I have the right ATM strategy selected here. So I did, like I talked about yesterday, talking about changing it up and using 10 micros. Yeah, we might do it. I guess we'll see. Anyone see on Twitter, Tory Trades posted something new coming that everyone's been asking for? Matty Matt, you dirty dog. Oh my. Hey, Connor, have I ever thought about trading the 15-second chart? Oh man, no, I have not. I don't know. I feel like trading the 15-second chart would require, like, you would need to be, it would take me a while just to get used to it. I would be taking way too many trades. I would be taking way too many. But no, I don't really have a desire to change my time frame. I've been trading the 2-minute for probably over a year. I'm afraid I would start to stroke out if I would trade the 15-second chart. Yeah, UCLA trades. That's kind of what I know. It's good for entries. Okay, now you guys got me. Now you guys got me curious. Let's see what a 15-second chart looks like. I can't help myself. I want to see it. Huh. See, right there would be a trade. Right here would be a trade. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Huh. That's interesting. It's interesting. To be exempt from green regulations. Oh, I see. Isn't that interesting? Yeah, but see, Matty Matt, their whole probation thing, like from what I understand, I don't know. It seems like at least the portion, like the reason I can't share everything, wow, there it goes trying to break above the highs. Oh man, I wish Apex would just come out with an announcement already. Jeez. Okay, we are all right. We got to switch. I'm sorry, but we got to switch back to the old faithful 2-minute chart. We are pumping. Also, we had news at 10 o'clock, right? Yeah, news at 10. So news in 5 minutes, fellas. Be careful. Is Apex still doing the lifetime fees? Yes, Steven, they are. They extended that for, when is the date, actually? I think next Wednesday, I think. Steven. Is Al Brooks legit? Oh, yeah. I look at Thomas Wade and Al Brooks kind of one and the same. I think they teach a very similar strategy. Or it's kind of just the same thing taught a little bit different way, maybe. But the concept is pretty similar. Wow, look at that breakthrough above the 10s. This is starting to look very bullish. We are like, we barely pulled back here. It's just, it's ripping straight up. Wow. So where's our next area that we, okay, so it looks like the 2060s and then the 2100s, maybe 2070s. This 79 level, we have really struggled to get above the 2080s, 280s, I should say, I guess. So we got to get above that 2080 level, which we might do. We might do that right at the news. We still have 4 minutes to go before news, 3 minutes. But that 2080 is going to be very important. We have struggled to get above that. But the other thing that I'm looking at here is the 60-minute chart. So 60-minute chart, I'll just draw it but the 60-minute chart here, we have kind of broken out. We've broken above this EMA. We broke above the 100 and the 200 EMA. So let's see if we can actually get above this 2080. If we get above the 2080 level, then we might be in for a nice bullish day. Please, please. I want a nice bullish day. That would be cool. Yeah, let's see. You have FOMO, Matty Matt? Yeah, I hear you. I'm not trading though. I'm no longer going to place any trades at 1025. But very bullish open. Wow. Very bullish. Wow, that was the news right there, and we just continue ripping higher. Okay, this might take out the 80 level right here. This might do it. It might, if it does, look out. It's also kind of important to be careful. Make sure we don't wick above it and then rip lower. That's how it was. If it wants to trap longs, that's how it's going to do it. So we got to be careful here. But wow, we are ripping. Let's see. See if we get above that 80 level. Technically, the high of that push is the 90s. So we really need to, technically, we really need to get above the 100s. We need to get above the 100s. Ugh. Top Step X is frozen. Really? Let me look. Let me investigate. Mine is not. Huh. Romo. Oh, for the data release? I see. I see. Okay, let's see if we rip through it, man. This is a very, very important level. Get above this 90. Let's see if she can do it. Here we go. 65s. Can she do it? Yeah, right here would be a tempting short, but oh, there it goes. The 70s. 75s. We are right at this double top. I don't think I would short. I don't think I would. But hey, we all got to do what we got to do. Here we go at the 80s. 82s. Can we rip it above the 90s and above the 100s? Very bullish move here at the open. 85s. And there's your pullback. I mean, if this reverses again and makes another double top, that's crazy. This is where I get so, like, if we just pull back here, like, this is where I get so tempted to jump in long. But it's a terrible idea. I know it's a bad idea, but I'm so, I'm tempted because in my mind, I feel like we definitely are going to break it. But then if we don't, the problem is if we don't break above, then you become trapped. And I'm not a fan of that. I do not like getting trapped. Quite frankly, I hate it. Let's see. See if we are going to rip this lower or new highs. Okay, here we go. 75s again. Had a little bit of a pullback, but not much. Oh man, this is where FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. Here we are, 85s. Okay, hang on, boys. Here we go, 90s. There she is. She's gonna do it. I can feel it, man. Oh, I can feel it. It's gonna rip it. There we go, testing the 100s, breaking through the 100s. The shorts are just getting squeezed here. Now we gotta close above the 100s. I was so close to pulling the trigger on a long right here. It's not even funny. It took every ounce of strength I had not to do it. Yeah, at least estimate. Yeah, I just know if I chase moves like this, I always get trapped. And then once I get trapped, that's where things really just fall apart. Completely fall apart for me. All right, let's see. Can we rip through the 100s here? Can we rip through the 100s? I think I think we do. Okay, there we go. 105s. Now my question, now I got to answer is, do I take a trade here if we pull back? I probably will. I'm going to switch to micros though, and I'm going to do 4 micros. Just anytime we have this big of a move, the pullbacks are usually a little more than what you think they're going to be. But what a move. There we go. Testing the 10s now. Man, I really hope no one got trapped short there. Took the long, you held 400, 580, done for the day, Kimbo. Let's go. Nicely done. I love it. Oh no, here's Johnny. Don't do it. Don't go short. Not now. No, I don't want to tell people what to do. You can do whatever you want. But we're in that mode where we are just squeezing. The bears are getting squeezed hard. Nice, Chad. You're long from the 39s. Oh man, I'm jealous. I am jealous. I was so close to being long right here at the 65s, but I didn't do it. Which I'm okay not doing. It would not have been part of my plan. And this time it would have worked, but next time it won't work. And that's one thing I've started to do and started to just accept a little more with my trading is to just not to chase and trade a bunch of different setups that I convinced myself of. Because overall, in the long run, like, yeah, some of them would have worked, some of them might work, but in the long run, it's going to be a net negative. So just gotta wait, just gotta be patient. Okay, we're getting our first pullback here. Caught the short, Orlando. Let's go. Here's Johnny. Let's go. You're getting the pullback. Hey, I hope we make good money here. Let's see if we get a significant pullback here or not. That's kind of what I'm curious. Like usually we get in a little bit extended pullback when we have this big of a move. Now we just be patient. There it goes. It's not even giving us a pullback at all. Okay, maybe now. I mean, you got to think we're going to pull back maybe down to the 70, 65 level again. Definitely don't want to buy up here. You got out at 90. Okay, good. I feel better now. It is looking very, very strong. It has been a while since we've had one of those days where we just go higher. Like we just keep going higher. It's been a while since we've had one of those days. I would be totally down. To have one of those days again. And we might see Maybe we make a move up to the 300 level today. Maybe. Never say never. W's all around. That's right. I'm above. Oh, hey, trading ever after. I'm above 52K in my accounts, but they say I can't take a payout. Trading after. Yeah, for the 5K, the 50K account, you need to get above 2,600 in order to be eligible for a payout. Yeah. Yeah, he's correct. You got this, though. You got this, trading ever after, I believe. Can I trade a live account with my Apex Rhythmic? No, you cannot. At least I don't think you can. I really am hoping for a pullback like down to the 65 area, but it's not doing the normal pullback yet. It's everything is just getting bought up immediately. Okay, here we go. This is now the first pullback. First pullback we're seeing. So now we chill. Now we wait. But if we get a good setup here, I will take this with the 4 micros. But the key is not to be... I need to be patient. Need to be patient. Remember that it always pulls back more than what you think it will. After that first pullback, after a big move like this, just got to be patient. Make sure that I'm on micros. Yep. Okay, here we go. Getting that pullback. Oh, here's Johnny. Oh, man. Look at that pullback down through the 60s. Oof. Man, this is now it's scaring me, guys. Now I'm getting scared. Oh, man, that's a big pullback. Oof. I'm going to wait for confirmation here. I'm not just jumping in here for sure. Big pullback. She really pulling back now. Man, that is crazy. Look at that. Unbelievable. This is insanity. What a pullback. I'm scared. I ain't touching this. I am not touching this now. This looks like it trapped the longs big time. Unbelievable. How low will she go? Okay, now we're getting... Wait a minute. My data is lagging. What the heck? What are you... Yeah, Mitch Marvin. I'm comparing like my data and it is not accurate. What the heck is going on here? Yeah, Survivor Trader, because right now Ninja Trader data is way off. I'm not sure what's going on. Is this move because of some kind of news event? If oil is moving really crazy too? Huh. Yeah, Dave Mack. Everybody be careful. If you're in Ninja Trader and Rhythmic, don't trade. Don't trade. Something isn't right. I'm not trading. I am not trading. I'm going to disconnect and try to reconnect because something ain't right. I'm telling you, Scruffy, something ain't right. I'm trying to reconnect. Okay, there it is. It is reconnecting. Okay, I think that is good. I think we're back and it looks like the data is okay now. Wow, what a rip higher here again. Man, this was a crazy pullback. Jeez. That is crazy. There was definitely something going on between Ninja Trader 8. Something Ninja Trader was seriously lagging there. Something wasn't right. Something ain't right, man. What was the news? Was there actually news on this move? Yeah, I think it's probably Rhythmic, not Ninja Trader, but as soon as I disconnected and reconnected, it seems like now it's fine, but it wasn't fine. It definitely wasn't fine. We're just Israel striking Iran oil facilities. Oh dear. That sounds like fun. That is a sign that I don't trade this. Let's not trade if we got some kind of crazy news happening. Let's see. Are we going to rip lower? Trade oil. I at least am going to look at it. Oh my word. What in the tarnation is going on? Look at this oil. Jeez. What a spike. Oh man, that's crazy. Man, that is one crazy looking move. Where is who read chat? Sorry, John. We are discussing Israel striking. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, trading ever after. I'm sorry, man. That was rough. It's something with rhythmic connections and that hurts. Man, that hurts. That is a crazy. It's crazy, man. Welcome to the life of a trader, huh? You never know. Things like this can happen. Gas prices rising this weekend. Yeah, probably. Probably. What a rip. All right, continuing lower here. Let's just see. So much for getting excited for a move higher today. Market said not so fast. Did anyone take a short up here? I know who was it, but I think he was out of his short when this happened, unfortunately. Man, I'm blank. Who was it? Here's Johnny. Yeah, here's Johnny. Sorry. Yeah, new low. Oh, wow. There it goes. Wow, this really is going to rip. Look at this market. What is going on? Oof. Volatility very high. Be careful. Very crazy. Be very careful here. Yeah, I'm too scared to trade too. I'm not. There's no need to trade this. There is zero reason. No reason to trade this. Nay. Rhythmic is still behind. Well, if you're behind disconnect, reconnect, that helped for me with Ninja Trader. But yeah, it is crazy right now. Be careful. Just be careful, fellas. Don't this kind of volatility is crazy. Crazy, man. If I'm watching oil, I am not anymore. Oh wait, I got the wrong screen on here. Sorry guys. Sorry. I was looking at oil, the daily chart. Man. Oh, I just don't feel comfortable trading this at all. Well, now we wait, I guess. I don't even know. I have no idea. This is going to be really hard to trade this. Hmm. Does anyone ever feel an account just wasn't meant? Yeah, I do. Yes, John. I definitely have some accounts sometimes that I feel like are cursed. Doesn't matter what I do with them, they just always blow. Or they just always lose or whatever. And then I'm like, I usually take revenge on those accounts. Usually I'll take out my anger on those accounts. uh I mean, at this point, I got to be looking at shorts here. I can't justify going long, but I also don't. We're just in the middle of this range. I'm just gonna wait. Got a feeling we might not have a trade today with this kind of craziness. It is still very volatile. Man, I'm so tempted to go short. If we go like right there should be. Actually, I might just keep this. All right, we're in. That didn't take long. Okay, just flush it all the way down. Just do it. Come on, need new lows right here. Really need new lows. If we don't get it, I'm going to kill this. We're going to have to get it quickly here. Nah. Do it. There it is. Come on. Give me some follow through here. Come on. All right. I got to kill it. It's doing the old whipsaw. I don't like it. Yeah, now it's ripping. We just couldn't get a follow through, and I'm in a phantom order again. All right, there we go. All right, let's see if we break above. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait now. Oh, yeah, it was just that's the old phantom order thing. Not sure why it keeps. Wow, look at that rip higher now. Woof. Look at her go. Ay, ay. Man, do I trust this enough to Hey, yeah, John, that bounce was wicked. That's what I was afraid of. As soon as I mean, I had hope when we made new lows here, but it never followed through. It should have been another wick like we had here, but we didn't get it, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm happy that I got out. I'm happy I got out. Now I'm curious, is this going to pull back here? We might see this pull back now. But by how much? Mm. Definitely stalling here. Definitely stalling. Man, I was so ugh. Yeah, I gotta stay out of this. I can't trade this. I'm gonna get in trouble. Let's see if we retrace this whole this big candle here. All right, we continue to pull back. I'm not gonna take it. Is anyone having data issues still? Mine seem to be okay now, from what I can tell. Hey, good morning. Good morning, Sharouz. How's it going? Yeah, this, I don't know. Trading this is difficult. Very difficult, in my opinion. My entries just pure from experience and feeling, or do you use technical aspects? Torben, I mean, I try to use some kind of, I mean, I'm a discretionary trader, but I like this move. I was just looking as soon as we break below this is I wanted to have, I was looking for a short if we break below this. So, but I don't have like a mechanical type entry, but I wait for a good signal entry long or short, or I try to. All right, let's see. See if this actually gets going. We need to rip above that 20 level here. We need to get above the 15-minute opening range. Like right now, for a short, I like a short right here. Actually, okay, I guess I'm in. That was, I'm not sure I like that play, but okay, just rip it. Come on. Don't wick me. Don't wick me. This, I might kill this if I don't see continuation here pretty directly. I'm not going to have much patience. Not with this market. All right, there we go. First target filled. Come on, just flush through it, would you? Come on. Let's see some continuation. Go, baby, go. Let's go. That was awesome. Hang on, I got it. Hey, let's go. We will take that. We will take that. A little bit of a... I mean, as soon as we rejected, we just never could get above this opening range high. Now, let's see if we make new lows. You got to think we're going to make new lows here, right? Hey, thank you, Jam Bear. Don't say it too loud. Knock on wood. Abraham, how's it going? Is Apex taking a long time again on activating evals? Diego, I use ICT concepts on my entries. You're such a troll. Yeah, trend continuation trader from pullback kind of guy. Exactly. That is exactly me. That's me in a nutshell. But this is where it really is actually helpful to trade micros, because it gives me more confidence to just hang on, have it bigger targets, let the trade work. All right, now we got to see, okay, are we going to make new lows? I don't want to short down here. I'm just going to look for, I mean, if we continue to struggle to get above this 20,000 level, I'm just going to look for shorts. Okay, now we're getting a pump higher again. Man, what a shift we had. What a shift we had. Man, this thing went from we're only going higher to just a V-shaped reversal move. I am so happy. I'm so happy that I did not get trapped somehow on this move lower. Oof. Feel like that. Anytime I avoid getting trapped on those V-shaped reversals is a good day, because the V-shaped reversals is always what gets me. Those are the ones that get me. But one thing that has really helped me to not get trapped as easily is to wait for confirmation on my entries on my basically candlestick pattern in a sense, but looking for a bullish or bearish entry. Yeah, Sharuz, I think it will. I agree. But I feel like right now, though, wow, look at that. Now we're ripping higher again. I feel like right now, if we, until proven otherwise, until we get above that 20,020 level, like, I still think looking for shorts might be the better option here. But just be careful trading today, because this kind of volatility and whipsaw market this can be so frustrating to trade, because if you're trying to trade the breakout or short the breakout down here or up here, this range is so big that it'll kill you. It'll just kill you. So this is a good reminder that you don't have to trade this. You do not have to. You can just watch. But man, look at that move right off the bottom again, 930s. This is I mean, these are 50 point, 60 point moves here. Crazy. Wow, look at that rip. What a move. We are holding though. I mean, I guess if you're looking for a bullish, I mean, the fact that we have not tested the lows, I mean, that is interesting. Now we're bumping our head again here at the opening range high. Whew. These crazy times we live in. All right. Look at this. It's crazy. Is this going to pull back again? Slow and steady on those 150Ks. Yeah, I know, John. We're trying. Knock on wood, because but man, having a really nice green week this week would be really, really important for this next payout window. It would give me a chance to be able to get a payout for the 15th through the 20th. If I can have a nice green week. What's really cool about, yeah, man, I don't want to, if I think about it too much, then it's not good because I get too excited. But man, if I can just get like every 6 weeks and hold on to these accounts, slow and steady progress, and like every 6 weeks be able to take a payout, oh, that'd be my dream. That would be if we would do every 6 weeks, let's just do some math. We all know this won't happen, but we can dream. It's basically $25,000 for every payout that I do. That would be about 220,000 a year. Let's not get too excited here, boys, but that would be sick. I would be over the moon happy with that. I would be. We'd have duck races like crazy. We'd have duck races like crazy, man. Sarah Hall, I need a screen trader, not an Excel trader. I know. It's fair. Okay, here we go. This is interesting. We could see if we can get above this 20 level, this could be a move, and we could be seeing a move higher here. Oil is just kind of going sideways now. I'm keeping an eye on oil today because I do feel like that's going to be a big difference maker. All right, let's see if we can get above that 20. Get above the 20,000 level. Here she goes. Here she goes. Can we do it? This is where it would be tempting to take this breakout trade, but I am not going to do a breakout trade. Just not interested in that kind of pain. And that's the thing, like, that's $200K a year, but that's only with 9 accounts. That's only with 9 accounts. Imagine we do this with 20. No, I can't. I'm not allowed to think like that. That is not healthy. A man can dream. Hey, let's go, Matthew. Apex coming in with another payout approval in under 24 hours. Awesome. Like I've been saying, man, there's some exciting things that are coming down the road for Apex. If they could just get this whole probationary BS clarified and cleared up, I think Apex would be back to top tier. All right, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Is it gonna just rip lower again? Yeah, I saw FTT added credit card purchases, but 0 discount codes work. That's a joke. That is a joke. So basically, hey, you can use credit cards, but you have to pay twice as much as anyone else. That's crazy. All right, let's see if we continue to go lower here. Man, this is tempting to short right here. Like right below this. Oh, I should have done it. I was so close to doing it, and I wasn't quick enough. Wasn't fast enough. Wasn't quite fast enough, but it's all right. Hang on, give me 1 second. And I'm back. Oh man, that feels bad. We missed this setup by just about 1 second. Oh, that would be a nice, really, really nice trade. That would be the day. I'd be shutting it down right now if we got in on this. This is why don't trade those breakouts. Don't do it. Let's see if we bounce off the bottom again. Unbelievable. This is crazy. Hey, Sorrel, you made 20. Let's go, Sorrel. That's awesome. Congratulations. Yeah, today is one of those days where the VWAP don't matter. Market don't care about VWAP. We are just going, we are literally trading in a 60-point range, 50, 60-point range here. Crazy. All right, let's see if this is going to break down. This is also where I would, like, I do not want to trade a breakout. It's tempting me, though. Man, oil is doing the same exact movement. Look at oil. Like, oil is going same choppy sideways action as NQ right now. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it is in an obvious range. I agree. It is crazy what kind of range. Okay, now look out. This might be breaking down to the downside here. Gotta be careful if you're long. Yeah, I know, Captain Kirk, right? I'm going to be pretty hesitant to take another trade, to be honest. I am pretty happy with where I'm at for the day, considering this kind of market. I'm pretty happy, so I might. I'm definitely going to keep on micros. I might switch down to 2 micros. Maybe look for some bigger moves, but I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna go too crazy. This kind of market. Yeah, Captain Kirk. Yo, nice. You're at 4,200. Let's go. Bet my house it's going back up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Jam Bear. Uh-oh. I mean, this is like if we break above this, man, do I want to do it? Let's see. I mean, I like it. We're just going to play the range. We're going to play the range, folks. I'm going to keep it tight. I'm going to keep my stop right there, and we're going to let it ride, baby. You were right, Jam Bear. We're trading the range with a tight stop. So we might get stopped out on our runner here. If we do, that's okay. Come on, Bulls. Rip it. Give me that 200 tick move. I wouldn't be mad. I just got done saying I'm not going to trade anymore, and now I'm in a trade. Oh, I to be fair, I said I'm gonna switch to 22 micros. Oh, come on. Come on. It's gonna stop me out. I guess it was fun while it lasted. We tried. It's all right. You were down 1,700 overnight. Oh, wow, John. You recovered all of that? Let's go. Hey, that's a sign to tight it. It might be time to call it. Let's go. Let's go, John. Yeah, now it's doing the old wicker. We bumped her head against the VWAP, and now let's see. Let's see if this makes new lows here down to the 900 level. All right, now it's 20, looking like we might want to go higher. I don't know. I'm just going to sit here and watch. JL, does that bother you as much as it does me? That I have 9 accounts instead of 10? I do wish I had 10, but here's the problem. If I pass another eval, then that eval is going to be so far behind that it's not really going to matter anyway. So I'm like, for now, I'm just going to wait. I'm the same way, JL. I am the same way. Hang on. Who's here? You little shardy, you. Whoa. What's up, bud? You snuck away from mom, didn't you? Did you sneak away from mom?
Yeah.
Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi, everyone.
Oh. Everybody says hi, Cody. Yeah, see, they're saying hi, little Nutty. Can you say Nutty Bar?
Nutty Bar.
So say, let's go, Nutty Bar.
Let's go, Nutty Bar.
Oh, you are too cute.
Why not too cute? Mario.
Oh, you see Mario there, huh?
Let's look.
Yep.
Hey, let's watch the Mario.
It's okay.
Hmm?
It's okay.
Woody Mario.
Yeah.
Woody Mario. Girl.
Enjoy the cuteness. Only a few years left before the meltdown. Yeah, very true.
Mario.
If I was blonde when I was little, no, I was not. Nope. I had actually brighter. My hair was a brighter red color. Yeah. So both my boys, they have blonde hair, and I have red hair, and my wife has darker brown hair. So I'm not sure where the blonde hair comes from, but
Look, see that button? See that button?
yeah, that button is green.
That button's black.
Oh, it's black. Yeah, you're right.
And then make red green.
You want to make it red?
No.
Yeah, you have to keep it green so they can hear us. Okay, this is struggling to get above this EMA now. Man, this is so tempting to take a short. I'm not going to do it, though.
Mario.
Let him take a trade. Cody, look. Do you see there? Is it going to go up or down? Up.
Yeah.
Oh, he's pretty sure about it, too. Are you sure it's going to go up?
Yeah.
He's sure, guys. He's pretty sure about it. You know what? We'll do one trade. Do you want to? But it has to get above this level. All right, we're gonna take a Cody trade. Let's see, Cody. Let's see if it wins.
Yeah.
If we get into trade, then you have to say, rip it.
Okay.
Okay? Can you say rip it?
What?
Rip it. Here we go. Cody's first trade. First trade at 3 years old. Where are your socks? Huh? You're not wearing any socks.
See?
See? It's going up. Oh, boy. Wow, this might actually do it here, guys. Moment of truth. Look, it's going up.
How is going up?
Does Cody sell a course?
How is going up?
Oh, it is. You have to say, rip it.
What? What?
We're going to have him well trained. Okay, let's see. See if we get filled here. Oh, snap.
What are you gonna win?
Yeah.
Look, Daddy.
What?
Daddy killing me.
Yeah. And we're in, folks. Moment of truth. It's now, Cody. See? You have to say, go, go, go. Rip it, rip it.
Go.
Yep, Cody confirmed. Best trader. Best ever.
Look, numbers.
Yeah, look at all the numbers. Yeah. He's not interested. You know what? I'm going to keep a pretty tight stop on this. I don't want to go, I'm not in the mood to give back a lot of profits, but let's go, Cody. Uh-oh, it's going back down now. You have to tell it, go up. Go. Rip it. Yeah, we're going to get stopped. Whoa. No, it's going down. It went down. Say, nah, market.
Market.
Yeah, nah.
Market going up.
Oh, Cody, you're too cute. All right, I'll be right back. Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Yeah.
Correct.
All right, we're back. Oh, man. Where's Ponzi? Ponzi's in the house. Don't expose your child to the crash for his first experience. Oh, Ponzi is in the house. Oh, man. All right, market volatility has definitely died down now. We have definitely died down. He lost and had to send him back. He's gonna have to study that course a little bit more. I guess I did move his stop, so technically that wasn't a fair, maybe not quite as fair as it should have been, huh? Where do you guys send my CV to become a mod? I mean, I don't like having too many, but I mean, you would definitely be fine. You know what we need to do? Shoot. Give me a second. Wow, this is now looking we're just starting. Maybe we're just gonna do a slow grind higher now. We're kind of at that time of day where we sometimes do that. Oh, feels bad, man. We just had a little bit too tight of a stop here. Too tight of a stop. It's all right though. We're chilling. We are just gonna be chilling. But it's starting to look like we're grinding higher. Hey, Tradeify, how we doing? Yeah, I saw that you were giving away accounts in Alpine's chat. I saw that. Yeah, you're doing your rounds. Intern needs a job. Hey, I mean, if it's free, I don't. If things are free, I'm sure people in chat usually like things that are free. From what I've gathered, you know what we have to do, right? We all know what's going to happen. We all know what we have to do. Tradeify, thank you. Let me get in. All right, let's just do it. Let's do it. How will it work? Or how do I do it? Let's, where is my... Here we go. All right, let me get everything set up here. Oh, hang on. Okay, I think I'm ready. All right, let's see. All right, the giveaway started. We're going to do the duck race. Top three. Top three is how we're going to do it. Oh, wow. Look at that rejection off of that opening range high again. We just continue to reject off of that. Wow. Exclamation mark Nutty. Exclamation mark Nutty to get in. You got 5 minutes. Gosh, do I take this? Gosh, I don't know. I could enter here. I just don't like that we're this close to the 15-minute opening range high. Not a huge fan. All right, exclamation mark Nutty. You got, hang on. You got 2 minutes, 30 seconds to go. 2 minutes, 30 seconds to go. If you're new, if you don't know, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to do a duck race. If you've never done a duck race before, then, guys, you can only enter once. So spamming the exclamation mark Nutty is not going to get you anywhere. But if we're going to do a duck race and the top three is who will win. I guess we'll work out the details on how you get the accounts. We'll work out those details later. Oh man, look at that. Oh, I should. Oh, jeez. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to. I might need to shut things down for the day because I'm starting to not take my trades. I'm starting not to take my setups. And unfortunate. What a rip higher. What a nice break. Let's see if we can break above that 2020 level here. All right, guys, you got 35 seconds. 35 seconds. We're going to pick 15 people. 15 people. We're going to have 15 people in the duck race, and the top 3 will win the Tradeify account. Exclamation mark Nutty, lowercase. All right. The giveaway is over, guys. I'm sorry. We are, the giveaway is over. All right, let's, give me a second to get everything going here. All right, let me switch screens. Here we go. All right, now, got to get this duck race going. Almost ready. All right, here we go, boys. We are ready. Here we go. All right, here we go. First one to be entered is Martin. Martin. Good luck, sir. Next one is Red Velvet. Red Velvet 0329. All right, good luck, sir. Next one, Brandon Emmett. Brandon Emmett. Whoops. I just... All right, Brandon Emmett. Next one is going to be LT Trader. LT Trader, congrats. Good luck, sir. And next one is Roots and Truths. Next one is Rich C. Rich C. And the next one is Vladimir. Vladimir is the next one. And congrats. Good luck, sir. Then we got Sleep and Q. Sleeper and Q. Okay, nice. Next one is going to be Tony Chan. Tony Chan entered for a chance. For a chance. Next one is Quiz 06. Quiz 06. All right, now we need to remove 5 people. Again, you're still in the duck race. I'm just removing so I can pick more people. We got 5 more. 5 more. Here we go. Dan Futures. Dan Futures. Let's go. Good luck, sir. Here we go. Next one is going to be Time Traveler. Time Traveler Stories. Good luck, sir. Next one is Mitch Marvin. Look at that. Mitch Marvin. Nice, nice. Good luck, sir. And the next one is Trading Funds. Trading Funds. And this is our final name. Here we go. Final name is Unknown Commander. Unknown Commander. Okay, we are time for the duck race. It's time. Okay. Hang on. All right, here we go. Let's make sure you guys can see everything. Here, let's hide some things here. Yeah, let's hide the payouts here. The rest should be fine. All right, we are going to do a 2-minute race. 2 minutes. We got 15 names on the list. All right, here we go. Oh, we need to turn on the sound. All right, there it is, boys. There it is. Are we ready? Top three. Okay, good luck, everyone. And here we go. And they're off. Duck race underway. We have, taking an early lead here is Red Velvet. Out to a half length of lead. We got Quills. Quills trying to make a move here with the dinosaur costume. We got Trading Funds, Unknown Commander. We got Tony Chan. We got Martin here. Martin trying to make a move. Right now, Unknown Commander, the Panda Duck. No one really making a big move here to the front. Mitch Marvin trying to make a move. Tony Chan trying to make a move now. Again, you gotta pace yourself. We all know how these duck races go. Usually the one in leading is not the one winning. Mitch Marvin might have spent too much energy there. And here comes Brandon Emmett. He's the clown duck. You'd hate to be him. The poor clown duck. And he's trying to make a move, though. He's got some speed in him. And there goes Brandon Emmett. The clown duck is putting on the moves. Here's Tony Chan holding up very well. Vladimir also trying to make a move. And now we got Quills taking the lead with 40 seconds to go. Then we have Time Traveler. Now Time Traveler and Vladimir out in front. Remember, top 3 wins. And then we have, looks like Donald Trump stuck, but without the wig. Then we got Unknown Commander trying to make a move. Red Velvet. Here comes Brandon Emmett again. Oh, Time Traveler now. Batman, the Batman duck. It's 10 seconds to go, guys. This is go time. It's time for the speed. Here comes Dan Futures from the back, putting on a move. Here comes LT Trader. He's going to win it. The Red Duck wins. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think maybe Dan Futures pulled it out as well. Here's the final results. We have LT Trader in first place. Doesn't matter what place you are, as long as you're top three, guys. Dan Futures from the back of the pack. Very nice. And then this was a photo finish. Unknown Commander and Red Velvet. But Red Velvet wins in third place by a whisker. So Red Velvet with the win. We have Red Velvet 0329. And then we have Dan Futures. And then we have LT Trader. Congratulations, everyone. And now we'll figure a way out. I'm not sure how. I guess, yeah, Tradeify. I'm not sure how you want me to, or what you need me to do to get the accounts to them, or is there anything I need to do? Thanks for playing, fellas. Thanks for playing. That is another completed duck race, not rigged at all. Obviously, never has been rigged, as you could see there. Let's go, LT Trader. Congratulations, everyone. Yeah, that red duck, man. That red duck seems to always come through. LT Trader, nicely done. Congratulations. I need a second career as a sportscaster. I don't know, man. I don't know. You know what I find hard to believe when you see the sportscasters, like, how do they keep track of everything? So, like, it's insane how quickly and like how much information they have to know. Good times, good times. All right, Tradeify, where are you at? Please tell me Tradeify didn't just up and leave. That would be awkward. That duck was on steroids. It was. It was. It came out of nowhere. Oh, man. What the duck did I sign up for? Okay, hang on. Let me get, hang on. Do I have the email? I wasn't, what in the Sam Hill's going on? Anyway, oh. Oh, okay. Got it. That's too funny. Okay. 50K straight to funded. All right. Thank you, Brett. I appreciate that. Okay, here's what we need, guys. If you won, if you were one of the top 3, I'm going to put my email in the chat. Okay, right there's my email. If you are one of the ones that won, please send me an email with a screenshot or something to verify that it is your account. And I will give you the code for that Tradeify account. Thanks for playing. Appreciate it. Thank you, Tradeify. Appreciate it. And onwards. Oh, wow. Look at this. It is starting to look like we're just going to do a slow grind higher here. I'm not sure I trust it, though. Really debating about if I should just call it today or do I look for more trades. It's always difficult to know. I should be calling horse racing. I don't know. That's what I mean. Like horse racing would be so hard. I would just hear how my announcing would go like this for the horse racing. I would just call them out by the number that I'm seeing because there is no way I would remember the names of the horses without it on. Like, there's no way I would remember. Yes, the $85 lifetime fee is still on. It's 85, not 80, but yes, that is still a thing for Apex right now, and it is good until the oh man, what is it? 9th of October, I believe. Yes. Trade the oil. I don't know. Oil has just been going sideways. NQ's been kind of drifting higher. Apex ever get back to you? Isaac, so yeah, I do have a little bit of information. Not enough to make a video really, but right now their comment was yeah, thank you, Tradeify. Yep. But basically the probationary status thing for the ones that got it, some of the ones that got it, it looks like it is a glitch. Apex is working on a automated process. I can't share everything. I don't know. It's for something they're rolling out here in the future. That's actually going to be a really nice. It's going to be a positive, but somehow that is causing issues and putting people on probationary status. That they're trying to get it figured out, but hopefully they will come out to hopefully they'll come out with an announcement and clarity on it, but we shall wait. All right. We are just grinding slowly. Yeah, Isaac, it is kind of. I'm sorry. I wish it wouldn't be like this. I really do. I'm not a fan. I'm not a big fan. I am trying to exercise my patience with Apex at the moment. Kind of like I do when I trade. I had oil on the screen. Oh yeah, I know. I'm keeping an eye on oil just because of the crazy moves that we saw this morning. You just got here. What happened with me and Apex? Nothing. I'm just saying that they need to come out and clarify the probationary status thing. That's all. Thing is, what really, yeah, it sucks. But on a positive note, I keep seeing, Apex, the payout process right now is A+. A+ on the payout process as far as it's happening very quickly. People getting paid out very quickly, approved very quickly. I love that part of it. And if they can just get this whole probationary status thing clarify would be really nice. Man, do I want to... I need to make a decision because I'm at a point where today I could see where I'm tempted to trade. I'm tempted to keep trading here. But at the same time, I'm going to be really upset if I end up giving all this profit back. If I'm in probation, no, I'm not. I'm not in probation, but I feel for the people that are in probation and don't know why. That's not cool in my opinion. Yes, I am checking email right now. Yeah, I know, Isaac. That's what I'm kind of wondering. If the thing is, if I get a really nice setup, then it would be nice, but okay. Yes. Okay, LT Trader. LT Trader and Red Velvet, I got your emails. I'm still waiting on Dan Futures if you're here. Hey, Dan Futures, got it? Thank you. Okay, now that's taken care of. Man, we are just grinding higher, slowly grinding higher, but we are definitely grinding higher. We're above that 20,030 level that we couldn't get above. Sure, your PCL wasn't the same, but up PA and MFU. I see, Isaac. Yeah, I agree. Ethan Jones, if I'm doing the September payout video soon, yeah, I usually want to wait like a week because sometimes I've noticed that the numbers aren't all in there until like a week or two later. Usually a couple, like 4 or 5 days. So, yep. You're welcome, Dan. Hey, let's go, Sharoos. That's awesome. If I'm going to share the Google Doc, Ethan, I don't anymore because of how big the file size is. And there was so many issues with people. And then there were some trolls that were messing the doc up and yeah, doing weird stuff to it. So I no longer do this. I don't attach it. Or I don't share it anymore. All right, I think I'm gonna wait and see what kind of entry we get here. If wait, did I? No, trip trades. Nope, I did not. Or I don't think I did. Maybe I should check. No, I was talking about other people that did get it. That, you know, we just, yeah, we need clarity on it for those guys. If we get a good, if I get a really good setup here, I think I'm gonna take it. But I'm not gonna enter up here. I need an entry, a good entry signal, like down closer to the bottom of this channel. What my bias is, I mean, at the moment, I'm going with the trend, which is up, is higher. So at the moment, I'm gonna have to look for longs. I'm Amishly biased. That's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Too funny. Okay, this is good. Get a little more of a pullback here, hopefully. Oh yeah, that is annoying, Jam Bear. I agree. We need an Amish duck. That would be funny. Amish are Americans or Germans? I mean Americans. Yeah. Mm. All right, we need to close red on this candle. And now my entry is like right here. This is what I said I would take, so I guess we got to do it. I wouldn't be mad if we don't get filled and I get a better entry yet, but What does Amish mean? Google it. I don't have enough time to explain I don't have enough time to explain it. All right. So looks like we're gonna get a different setup here. All right, that's fine. That's why we wait on confirmation for entries. All right, let's see if we get filled here. If we don't, it's okay. Not gonna be that mad about it. Yeah, this is not. All right, we just. We're just bleeding lower now. A little more than I'd like to see. I might just, yeah, I don't. We're now testing the EMA here. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Which type of account is this free account with Tradeify? Advanced growth? I think it's straight to funded, Dan Futures, I believe. The 50K straight to funded, which is pretty awesome. You can just get in there and make money right away. Make sure, Dan Futures. I mean, I'm not really that familiar with Tradeify, so make sure that you understand the rules and just make sure you understand the rules and follow them. All right. Well, we could get. All of a sudden, this market is just not interested. just continues to roll over. And once again, we make new lows and we're out. It's crazy. Yeah, it's lunchtime, I know. Do you think Tradeify allows people to use a discount code? Do you think people, if they allow people to use a discount code if they use credit cards? That is such a lame excuse, in my opinion, from Fast Track's point of like that Fast Track. Oh, hey, we have credit cards now. Oh, but you have to pay, you know, no discounts. No discounts allowed. Just ask yourself this. Ask yourself this. Why is it that Fast Track is the only prop firm that would have issues with chargebacks? That's what they use as their excuse. Oh, well, we are not dealing with chargebacks. Why is it that everyone else is fine with it? Why is it that it's just an issue for Fast Track? And who is it protecting? It's definitely not protecting the consumer. Okay, here we might have liftoff. All right, got to get a continuation here. Got to get a nice push here. I do not want to see this. I don't want to see this stall right here. If this rolls over, and it could easily roll over here and then just continue making new lows, I'm going to be killing this pretty quickly. Eh. Yeah, this is not ideal. I'm okay sitting through a little bit of chop sideways action. All right, let's rip it. Give me a nice green boner candle. Hey, let's go trading app after. That's awesome. John, that's funny. Yeah, maybe CEO can FaceTime the bank manager. Yeah. Right, design. It's because the reason that it's because they got so much flack for it And now this is just a good way for them to kind of hide behind it and be like, oh, well, we have credit cards. Well, I mean, you're not serious about it. Why would it just makes no sense? Why would you not offer discounts? All right, come on, market. I'm getting close to killing this thing. Just not in the mood to really let this thing just continue to drift lower. I'm not in the mood. Come on. All right, if we don't make a new high here, I'm going to kill it. It's got 1 minute and 30 seconds to do it. And my patience ran out. My patience ran out. I don't like those wicks. It's also a lunchtime grind, so it could just be a chop because of the lunchtime grind. But I probably need to call it a day because I'm being impatient. I'm being impatient, and I seldom trade well when I start being impatient with my trades and stuff. It's just not good. I don't trade more size on the 250Ks channel. No, I don't. Nope. I guess I didn't even think about that. Maybe I should. I will need to make more money on those accounts, but is Tradeify legit? I don't know. I do not know enough about it. I know they're new. But yeah, I've not used him before. I've not used him ever. So I don't know enough to speak on it. All right. Lunchtime grind. What is my average loss? Let me look. Oil is also grinding higher now at the moment. Average loss is $288 currently. $288. And this might roll over here. I'm actually, I wouldn't be surprised. Man, I just realized that, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize when did TradeZella roll out this customizable dashboard? I was checking my average win-loss ratio. That's pretty cool. Yeah, now we're rolling over. Man, I'm glad I just got out of that trade. Please explain Amish. Tell us on the internet. Very funny. Why do you promote them if you don't use? Promote who? I wasn't. I mean, I wasn't. I wasn't promoting Tradeify, or didn't mean to. I was basically. They came in and wanted to give away 3 accounts, and I mean, I don't want to. If a viewer can get free accounts, then why not? Why not let you guys get that opportunity? A free account is a free account, in my opinion. But look at this. I haven't seen this. This is pretty cool. Like, you can now customize the TradeZella dashboard, and then you can like add different widgets. Your average drawdown. That's crazy. You can do your current win streaks. So my current trade win streak is 36 trades in a row. Now, this is a little bit skewed because I'm trading 9 accounts, so that would be 4 winning trades in a row. Methodical Man put out a video showing his affiliate pay. I think props are doing just fine. I mean, I know prop firms are doing just fine. People that think prop firms struggle to make money and don't pay out and stuff because of cash flow issues just don't know. But like here, I can see at a glance on my dashboard what time of the day I take the best trades and what time of day I take losing trades. My day win percentage, it's actually interesting. My day win percentage is almost the same as my trade win percentage. My average drawdown is 36. How much is that per day, I think? During the selected period. But then you can just keep adding more widgets. You can do account balance, a calendar, open position, daily. Huh. Anyway, I just realized that. I thought that's pretty cool. I need to use TradeZella. Sorry. I need to use TradeZella a little more. I have started using it again a lot more just ever since I started copy trading again. It's hard to import data into TradeZella from Tradeovate. Not really. You literally one export and that's it. You export it. It shows you how to do it. You export it and then boom. Yeah, it is Pips Hunter. It is a paid per. It's a monthly service for TradeZella. Yes, it is. Now I just need to save the template. All right. Man, I gotta say, I'm a fan of that. That's pretty cool. What's the advantage? I mean, it's just a way to track your trades. Like, it's a way that you can visualize and see areas might. I like to use it. I also, you can use it as a journal. I like to use it as a journal, but then I also like using it as more. I use it more to kind of A, keep a running total on how I'm doing, B, track what time of trade that I'm like trade times, and like if there's a big discrepancy that I shouldn't be trading in the morning, or that I shouldn't be trading pre-market, or maybe I shouldn't be trading in the aftermarket, like after hours, you can kind of see that a lot easier that way. Can you connect different prop firms? Yeah, you can create up to 10 different. So you can create 10 separate accounts with Tradeify in a sense. Or why do I keep saying no? I keep saying Tradeify. TradeZella. You can create like multiple different not accounts, but basically to track, like let's say you have a Top Step account, you have a Apex account, and you have, a Tradeify account, whatever. You can create a separate one for each one and then track them, track everything separately if you want. Mm. 85 lifetime fee, activation fee using your code. Yeah, the 85 lifetime. I mean, when you use my code, you get the discount. If you use my code, you get 80% discount on the eval. You don't need a code for the $85 lifetime fee. That's automatic. Top Step hard combine is hard to pass. Yeah, I think any evals that require a consistency rule is harder to pass than one that doesn't have a consistency rule, but you just got to pick what you like. I feel like some in chat have concussions. Oh, I think we all do sometimes. Microsoft Word plus Excel is a poor man's Tradezilla. Yeah, pretty much. Trader is Jake. Pretty much. Pretty much. If I can suggest a direct funding firm, Harpreet, honestly, I mean, I'm not sure I'm quite on board yet with the whole direct to funding. I mean, I have serious concerns. Okay, let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. Or if I back a year and a half ago when I started my prop firm journey, a year and a half ago, if there were direct to funding prop firms out there charging what is being charged for direct to funding right now, I shiver to think how much money I would have lost before I was profitable. So just because you can buy an account that takes you direct to funding, that does not mean that you can get a payout. Okay? That is not like that is not a cheat code to getting payouts. It really isn't. You are literally paying a lot more money and you get a lot less screen time. For the people that are new, like new traders, that is going to be a very bad thing for new traders, because new traders are going to see it. They're going to see the direct to funding option and they're going to think that, oh, I'm going to trick the system and I'm going to bypass and I'm going to just get payouts so much faster. Why not just direct to funding? I'll spend 5 times more, but that's fine. And they still don't know how to trade. And they use these direct to funding and pay insane amounts of money. And then they'll blow their accounts just as easily. And that's my, like, I feel, just don't, if you can't trade, or if you can't pass evals, then why would you think that you're ready to pass and get payouts on funded accounts? If you're already profitable, then it's different. Like, I feel like if you're already profitable and you've proven that you can be profitable for more than just a month or two, then yeah, okay, like that, I feel like that might be then a better option. But unfortunately, the new traders aren't probably not going to listen to that. They're going to think, oh, I'm special, I'm different, I'm gonna be the guy that doesn't need to, I don't need the screen time, I can just dive in and it'll be fine. Those people are going to lose massive amount of money. I think I'm profitable. Again, I mean, if you're not. Wow, look at that rip lower. Do you know how I can delete them? I have a question. Could you help me with this? I passed 2 evals, one with 57 and one with 62, but Apex burned my accounts due to volatility. You can't erase them in Rhythmic? Well, you need to go if you cancel the accounts in Rhythmic, and then once you cancel them, go back to your dashboard, you're going to see an option that's going to say remove from Rhythmic. Then you just do that and then it'll take care of it. Yeah, short stuff. I mean, all of them are. Like, it's very expensive. I saw that, like, yeah, Fast Track has a guy that has 2.7 million in profit already. This guy from Fast Track Trading has 2.7 million in profit, and they're still letting him trade. It's like, huh? Hopefully everyone, I mean, that's crazy. And the thing also, like, that I saw that a Fast Track is promoting, they're promoting automatic payout approvals. The key is they're looking at automatic payout approvals, not payout, like actually automating their payout process. Every day they are literally falling further and further behind with their payouts, and they said the automatic payout isn't going to be implemented probably for another 3 months. How in the world? I mean, that's crazy. Most expensive hobby ever. Exactly, design. And the problem is just like, dude, okay, I know it gets expensive buying evals at 80 and 90% off. Like, now, I wish you know, but if you do that, it's expensive, let alone, I can only imagine. Just be responsible. All right, market all the way back down to the 10s. Crazy. Exactly, design. You did, but Rhythmic don't delete it because it's in a pat. That's weird, Brian. Then you probably have to contact support and ask them to remove it. Did I try Top Step? Yes, I did. I am currently trading with Top Step. I'm trying out Top Step X, and just, I don't know, I want to see what it's like. I want to see how Top Step X, the fills, the data feed, that but yes, I am testing them out right now. All right, market. I probably need to walk. I should walk away. I'm not sure why I don't know why I am thinking I'll be on Top Step TV next. Maybe you never know. Keep your I really should walk away for the day. I know I should. I keep trying to convince myself that this market's going to give me some great setups this afternoon. I don't know why today it's so hard for me to walk away. I got this feeling. By the way, guys, do you remember yesterday? Yesterday I played the Rick Rolled song. Got a notice last night. This video is claimed by copyright. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Oh, I wish my lawnmower was here because I need to mow the lawn, but I still don't have my lawnmower back. Oil is ripping higher once again. Oh, you know what? Yeah, Matty Matt. Is that why? Does someone know the channel? Was it because of the copyright? But yeah, we were talking about it yesterday, Matty Matt. That's crazy. I do have some things I could do. My 11-year-old son, I'm pretty sure he's not listening. Like, I'm 99.9% sure he's not listening, so I can tell you guys this. Actually, I won't tell you. I'll show you. Look, this is what my 11-year-old is getting this afternoon. He's getting his dream laptop that he's been. Remember when he came in here and he saw my payouts? Remember when he saw my payouts and then he started complaining about how I told him we can't get him a PC? Well, I caved. He's getting a. You know what's crazy? This laptop spec is actually better than my computer. It's got the 4090 graphics card. It's got the i9 latest processor from Intel. I mean, the kid is spoiled, I'm telling you. He's gonna love it. So I'm gonna go. I can go set that up this afternoon. There's a lot of downloads that we need to do. So he's gonna be tickled. He is going to be excited. I told him today that I will give him. I told him that I have a gift for him, and I told him today because of course I told him Monday. I told him Monday that he's gonna get a gift sometime this week, and he's been poor guy. I shouldn't have told him that because he's literally been having a hard time falling asleep. He's like, Dad, I couldn't even sleep last night. I was up way late. I can't wait for my gift. I need it now. Oh, man. So I told him this morning, hey, after I'm done streaming, when I'm done streaming for the day, I will give it to you. So now he's come into my office twice now and knocked on the door. He's like, are you going to end stream soon? So he is definitely going to want me to end stream soon. And I'm in green. I should just shut down my trading for the day. And I think I'm going to do that, guys. I think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to shut her down. I'm going to predict something, okay? Because I got a feeling. We are going to rip to new highs today. I think we're going to rip to new highs yet today, but I don't know. I hope I'm totally wrong because then it would totally justify me walking away. All right, guys, I am going to shut it down though, for real. I'm closing everything down. I'm literally going to end the stream. I'm going to record my video, my daily recap video immediately after this, and then upload that, and then I'm going to shut down my charts, and then I'm going to go spend some time with the kid, and we're going to have fun setting up this new laptop. I'm actually excited because it is very sweet. Okay, guys, take care. Appreciate every one of you. And hope you all have a green day. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And God bless.